Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Shed King. Today is a special day. We're out here at Mech's Garage. Benny's a good friend of ours, good friend of the channel, and we've come to check out how he puts these four-link kits together and the front coilover kits together. There will be a link in the description with detailed, run through of what's available. Everything from four links to coilovers, airbag systems, everything is ridiculous. He has a crazy amount of stuff that he sells. So anyway, let's get into it. Alright guys, first and foremost is the notch kit he sells, which is fully engineerable. Dr. Tim has actually done a few of these. They're so easy. We'll put one together in a minute on the bench, but I just wanted to talk about the notch and the four link. So in this example, so guys, this is a triangulated four link with a cross member kit. He actually sells this kit as well, so you can make that cross member up, and basically it all just goes together. There's lots and lots of we'll do as many walk-arounds and pictures of this car as we can, so you can get a really good idea of how it all goes together. And there's actually a lot more room than the way I did it. So I ran my bars off the center of my diff over to here, and I had to make ridiculous brackets. And me and Benny were just saying, then you have no room for exhaust, because it just makes it all complicated. But let's go to the front of the car and check out what's going on at the front of the car. I get so many questions about this, and I thought I need to come out and see Benny and do a video and run you guys through this setup. So that's your control arm, your upper control arm. Are you making bottom control arms yet?
No, not yet.
No, that's bottom control arms on the cards. So he makes these arms to suit a coilover setup. With the standard arms, they're literally like that thick. They're probably like maybe 2 inches thick, and you just don't have the room to run the coilover and the bracketry like that. One tip I will give you guys is make sure you can run like a 7 or an 8-inch shock. The way I did it was ridiculous. I wish I shopped around a little bit more and actually got this set up. I would have been a lot better off with it. He has these kits all available on his website. Again, all the description, it'll be in the description. I've just forgot to mention, guys, he also makes a whole range of engine mounts as well. So you can see in here, makes a whole heap of custom engine mounts and bits and pieces. Again, it's all on the website, so get there and check it out. We're now just going to put together a notch and show you guys what's going on. Let's do it. So this is the notch, guys. You would have seen me do, if you've been following me for a while, I did this on my car probably about 4 years ago. 4 or 5 years ago, I can't even remember now, it's been that long. One thing that's worth mentioning, guys, is with this notch, I'm pretty sure this is a 20-inch notch, it's a big one. He's got the welding lugs here, so once you actually put it over the chassis, you weld in these lugs and also all the gussets on the inside, you can see in there. So you weld either side of those, all in there, weld it all up on the car, and then you make your top and your bottom rails with the same. It has to have a speed end, it can't have a straight weld there, it has to be rounded. In Australia anyway, so I don't know about you guys in the States, but this is some like really good kit. I usually cut things like this with my hands with a grinder. It takes freaking ages and they never turn out as good, so definitely worth investing in time on some good stuff like this. And actually, that works. It's been tested. It's he does it every week. So yeah guys, this is it. So if you want a notch, I'd definitely recommend going and seeing Benny. And it basically almost holds itself together. It's that well cut. Didn't even have to touch it. Comes with a nice etched in Mex Garage logo as well. You can see he's got more of the weld-in lugs, which will help with when you go for engineering.
I thought I'd just quickly jump in here, guys. This is some really, really good kit. I know I just said that a second ago, but this is some really well made stuff. So if you are looking at doing anything like this, get in touch with Benny from Make's Garage. The link will be in the description, as I've said for 400 times now. I took as many photos as I could of the setups, because you can buy them as a DIY kit, and you can also get Benny to do it for you. There's multiple selections of full link kits, parallel kits. The list is kind of endless. So yeah, don't be afraid to ask a few questions. He's more than happy to help. Really friendly fella. And this is one of his customers' cars, and it is stunning. You can see the black one in the background too, the 57 Chev. It's gorgeous as well. He always has all these cool little cars in there, all with airbags and stuff that he does. So yeah, if you're interested in airbags and all that sort of stuff, he's the go-to guy in Brisbane, no doubt about it. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to Benny and the boys there to letting us come in and do a video, and yeah, bringing this to you guys. It really means a lot to us, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope everyone takes care, and I'll catch up with you all real soon.